Welcome to Food Storian, where we embark on a tantalizing journey through the vast and flavorful world of food. I'm your guide through the captivating realms of food history, culinary evolution, and everything in between. Join us as we delve deep into the annals of history to uncover the fascinating stories behind your favorite foods. From the ancient grains cultivated by our ancestors, to the innovative culinary techniques shaping our modern palates, we leave no stone unturned in our quest for culinary enlightenment. Ever wondered how our ancestors preserved food before refrigeration? Or perhaps you're curious about the myths and legends surrounding certain ingredients? Well, you're in the right place. At Food Storian, we debunk food myths, explore food origins, and showcase the remarkable ingenuity of culinary cultures from around the globe. But it's not just about the past. We're also here to inspire your culinary adventures in the present. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, our videos offer practical tips, tricks, and insights to elevate your cooking skills and broaden your culinary horizons. And the best part? We're building a vibrant community of food enthusiasts like you. So join the conversation, share your own food stories, and let's explore the tantalizing world of food together. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this mouth-watering journey together. Until next time, stay curious and keep on cooking.